Hello, and welcome to another video from your friends at Hill Engineering. I'm Camille, and today I'm going to discuss our newest capability in our laboratory roster, 3D scanning. 3D scanners are powerful tools with a variety of applications ranging from dimensional inspection to reverse engineering. Typically, 3D scanners are used to create a three-dimensional representation of a complex part. Initially, the part geometry may be represented by thousands or even millions of individual points. These points can then be used to reconstruct a model of the part. Many of our projects have benefited from the addition of 3D scanning.
Our scanner is the Nikon ModelMakerH120, which works by projecting a laser line onto a surface and recording the location of the laser using a camera. It then uses triangulation to determine the distance from the scanner to the surface. Encoders in the arm track the absolute position of the scanner. This model incorporates blue laser technology, ultra-fast frame rate, and specially developed Nikon optics. This device has a measuring range of 78.75 inches, a measurement accuracy of 1.1 thousandths of an inch, and a minimum resolution of 1.4 thousandths of an inch.
Some typical applications that require the use of a 3D scanner include quality assurance inspections comparing the geometry of the manufactured parts to the drawing requirements. Reverse engineering by generating a CAD model of a physical object for use in future design or manufacturing. Evaluating the effects of different machining and manufacturing processes on the final part shape. And evaluating the effects of residual stress surface treatments on the deformation of parts. Inspecting your parts using state-of-the-art 3D laser scanners provides the geometric insight needed to make the right engineering and quality assurance decisions. Our in-house scanning services provide a fast and reliable solution to meet your 3D scanning needs. We supply results in the form of easy-to-interpret graphic reports, complemented with measurement datasets. Thanks for tuning in to hear all about the latest service Hill Engineering is adding to our roster. We can't wait to get scanning. If you have any questions about 3D scanning or how it can help with your project, feel free to message us or leave us a comment. For more information about the services we offer, click the link below to visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media accounts for updates from all your friends at Hill Engineering. And remember, make it happen.